If you want to duplicate a page in Word, the easiest method is to copy the content from the page and paste it exactly where you want the duplicate to appear. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to do it in just a few clicks, so you can save time and avoid rebuilding the page from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and go to the page you want to duplicate. Now you need to select the full content of that page. You can click and drag your mouse to highlight everything on the page, or use your keyboard and select the text, images, tables, and any other elements that you want to copy. Make sure you've selected all of the content that makes up the page, because whatever you copy is exactly what will be duplicated. Once the content is selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. You can also right-click and choose copy if you prefer using the menu. After that, place your cursor where you want the duplicate page to appear. This could be a blank page later in the document or anywhere else you want the copied content inserted. Now press Ctrl+V to paste the content. Word will insert everything you copied into the new location, effectively duplicating the page. If the page included formatting, headings, images, or other elements, those should carry over as well. That's what makes this method so useful. It keeps the page looking the same without having to recreate it manually. If the content doesn't land exactly where you want it, just click to adjust the cursor position and paste again. You can also use paste options if you want to match the formatting of the surrounding document, but for a true duplicate, the regular paste is usually the best choice. And that's it. Your page is now duplicated in Word. It's a fast and simple process, and once you know it, you can do it in seconds anytime you need a copy of a page, section, or layout. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.